Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Sean. This is UCM Pigs, and today we've got the Reactive Outdoors 30-second tent. And we're gonna see if we can really put this up in 30 seconds and take it down in 30 seconds. But before we get started, let me remind you to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always on my channel, if you don't feel like typing words, just leave me an emoji. Let me know you're here. I'd greatly appreciate that. So Reactive Outdoors reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to take a look at their 30-second tent. And I was like, yeah, that looks really cool. Now, this is their large size tent. This is a 3-man tent, which in reality is probably one full-figured man. But it should sleep at least 2 adults comfortably, up to 3 adults. But you know, with gear and stuff like that, especially if you're moto camping, if you're traveling alone, you have a lot of stuff, it's probably the direction you want to go is the large 3-man tent. So, no instructions. Well, I take that back. I looked at some instructions online, watched a couple videos, and we're going to throw this thing up and see if it truly goes up in 30 seconds. And then we're going to talk a little bit about Reactive Outdoors and a little bit about the tent and close this video out. Okay, so I've got the provided drop cloth laid out. I've got the tent ready to go, and we're going to see if this is truly a 30-second tent. So we open it up like this, flip these down. I guess we could probably start the clock. Flip those all out, and we're gonna grab it right here in the middle. We're gonna pull up on it, give it a shake, maybe 2, until we hear that click down. And boom, something slipped out here. We'll just put that in place. Our tent is up. We're good to go. Tent's in place, ready to put the stakes down. Okay, so I haven't staked the tent out because again, we're gonna show you the breakdown of this. Again, should be a 30-second breakdown to get it back to be put back in the bag. So I guess this is a good time to start our clock. So we're basically going to lift up on this mechanism and the whole tent should collapse. So lift up, bring it up, pull up on it so the legs kind of release on each other. Fold these up. And that is it. Our tent is collapsed, ready to be rolled up and put back in the bag. And that's it. 30 seconds up, 30 seconds down. Okay, so the tent comes in this nice carry case from Reactive Outdoors, has their logo on it. Now, the one thing I will say about the case that I wish was a little different, or the packaging. I wish it was a little bit smaller. This is even, you know, it is pretty compact for a bike. I mean, it can go on a touring bike. I could set this on top of my tour pack. Seems like it's well within the weight limits for that. You could probably stand it up, put it on your sissy bar, or find some other way to strap it to your bike. I'm not sure how the regular 2-man would look, but this is, I wish this would break down a little bit further. That's really the only negative I've got right now on this whole thing. So let's go ahead and open this up. Got 2 clips right here. You open it up, and you've got a rainfly. I think this was like a promo. It comes with the tent. So rainflies are real important. It helps protect the tent from the ground, you know, rocks and stuff like that. So it's good to have a good, you know, drop cloth to go underneath your tent. There's a little patch here, some sort of fly. We'll figure this out. And then the tent roll itself. So you open up the tent roll, or you pull this out of the bag, and there are some stakes in here. This is the tent itself. It's got a couple, you know, straps to keep it all together. And then you have a little pouch here with the stakes inside of it. I believe we have some stakes and yeah, your standard little tent stakes. And then you have some line here, which I'm assuming, for really high winds, you can put out some lines on the corners of the tents and secure it to the ground a little better. If you're in that type of weather, you go out west, Sturgis, stuff like that, the winds pick up. There are some sewn in instructions, so if you haven't set it up in a while, you can refer back to them to refresh yourself on setting it up and breaking it down and packing it back up, and it's sewn into the pouch, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about them becoming lost. They're kind of waterproofed, so good stuff. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, we have determined that, yeah, that's plausible. 30 seconds up, 30 seconds down, extremely quick. We're not done yet, so we need to stake it out. But if we were in a hurry, it was raining, and we really just wanted to get this thrown up, get our stuff inside of it so it's dry, we would have accomplished that now. Now we get our stakes in place. So you got 4 stakes, 1 for each corner. I like to go diagonal, and luckily my ground's pretty soft, but you would want to have a small hammer with you, just in case you ran into some place that had some rocky soil or something like that. And there you have it. So I have about 4 more stakes left in here, and like I said, these tethers, that way if I wanted to tether it out, I believe it has some D-rings right here, some little D-loops that you could tether this out for extremely windy conditions. Now inside the package there's one other thing, this thing right here, and what I'm assuming is what this is in addition to the built-in rain fly. This tent does have a built-in rain fly, but if you wanted to maybe prevent water from puddling up here on top, for extreme rain, this is probably optional. But if you knew you had some pretty extreme rain coming in, you didn't want puddles here on top, you could put this across. There's some D-rings here to hook it on. And now you've got a little added protection there, and you don't have water puddling on top of your tent. Like so. There we go. So one of the features I really like is I've got 2 doors on this tent. I've got one on the front and one in the back. So that allows for a nice breeze to come through. These are full zipper doors. They do have a window on the inside, so we can unzip this window and then close our door, and we get nice airflow through the tent for those steamy nights. You also have nice tiebacks here for each door. So maybe if you're using this tent maybe just as a sun shelter, maybe you're spending the day on the beach, wanted some sort of a sun shelter, not really worried about the bugs, just wanted to get out of the sun, or maybe you were camping in the early spring or fall, you just wanted to open it up, maybe air it out. You have some tiebacks here, and you can tie back these doors. Yeah, there we go. That way it can just be open, and you can have complete airflow, if you're using it for a sunshade or whatever. So just taking a walk around the tent, you have the Reactive Outdoors logo here on this side. As I mentioned, built-in rain fly, which is nice. You don't have to monkey around with putting that on there. Door in the back, very similar to the front, or identical to the front. And then the logo on this side. Inside the tent, so we take a look inside here, and you have a little cell phone pouch down there, put cell phone, your watch, whatever in. If you notice, the whole top part of the tent is completely mesh, which allows for good airflow, including the top, air circulation while you're sleeping, especially with these windows open and the doors. You have nice airflow. Plenty of room for, a full figure man to lay in there, maybe 2. Maybe if you were traveling with your significant other, you'd have room for both of you and your gear inside this tent. Now, let's talk about Reactive Outdoors itself. Reactive Outdoors is out of Utah. Your tent will be shipped to you from Utah. The tent is made from a Oxford like poly blend. I think it's 210D is the actual specification. Double stitch, double tape seams. It has been tested against all weathers, winds, to be 100% waterproof and be able to withstand up to, I think, 40-mile-an-hour winds. So it's a pretty sturdy tent to be used as for moto camping or whatever you want to use it for. And just to kind of give you a visual reference, I'm 5'9", and I am completely stretched out, and I've got maybe 6 inches or so here at my head, and my feet are pretty much right at the end, but I kind of curl up when I sleep. Got all this room over here to put my gear. I've got a nice hook up here to hang a lantern. It's really nice. Actually, I'd probably sleep with my head over there because that's where the little pouch is. I put my phone and whatnots inside the little pouch. Okay, so now that I got the tent broke down, you just kind of roll it all back up together, get a little air out of it. And we're gonna put the ties back on. While we're doing this, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Reactive Outdoors. So they stand behind their products. They have a 365-day money-back guarantee. So that says a lot about the quality of this tent, that they're willing to let you take it, use it, and if you're not pleased with it, contact them and let them know why and talk about getting your money back. So on their website, there's more details on that guarantee. I'd recommend you go there and take a look at that and see what you think and see if it's worth checking out the 30-second tent from Reactive Outdoors. So now that I've got everything pretty much ready to go, I got my little fly, my little ground cloth, my bag, and my tent. We'll go ahead and start putting the stuff back inside the bag. And one other thing that's a good point to mention about Reactive Outdoors right now is they're running a pretty good sale. I believe this tent is 50% off. So I believe it normally retails for around $299.99. So 50% off, that's a pretty significant savings on a tent of this quality. So I'd like to encourage you to go over there and take a look at the website. Like I said, they have this tent. They also have a 2-man, their small version. They have a cabin tent that is inflatable, no holes. You just basically sit it down. It's got its own onboard pump and its own battery, rechargeable, and you pretty much spread it out, turn the pump on, and the tent goes up. So that's pretty amazing in itself. I saw that on their website. I said, that's pretty cool. So if you had a bigger vehicle or a larger family, that might be something you might be interested in. And actually, if you had a big bike, I'm sure you could fit it on your bike. So that is it for the Reactive Outdoors 3-man large 30-second tent. I think we would all agree what they claim is true. It goes up super fast. It comes down super fast. You're able to do it by yourself, which gets you enjoying your camping trip a lot quicker. So I hope you guys found this informative. And until we talk again, you guys be careful. You guys be safe. Always keep your shiny side up. And we'll talk to you next time.